Welcome to Prairietown, a place where students can interact with interpreters from 1836. Students are able to walk the streets of Prairietown and ask questions to the local townsfolk. So in Prairietown, there's more than just history. There's math, there's science, there's reading and writing, even cooking all around you. The science standard here is investigate how multiple simple machines work together to perform everyday tasks. At the Golden Eagle, you'll find people cooking, cleaning, using all different kinds of tools, especially at the barn behind us. One of these tools might be something like this. An essential question might be, how do simple machines help people do their work? Simple machines that make up this complex tool include the inclined plane, which is the spiral that's happening at the bottom here, the sharp edge, which is called a wedge, and our handle, which acts as a lever. An invitation in this space could be something like, what is this tool and how is it used? A reflection question for your students prior to leaving could be something as simple as, how have machines changed over time? How have they become more efficient?